You're approved with bad credit. No hard credit pull. 1. The importance of rebuilding credit alongside repairing it. As you embark on repairing your personal credit, it is crucial to begin rebuilding it simultaneously. In today's credit-dependent society, you cannot simply cut up your credit cards, pay cash for everything, and hope your financial situation will improve. Whether you aim to purchase a home, buy a luxury car, or build wealth using other people's money, rebuilding your credit is a necessary step. This section will cover how to rebuild credit and introduce 3 credit cards that can help you get started. Footnote: this section stresses the importance of credit rebuilding alongside credit repair, especially for those aiming to purchase major assets or build wealth. 2. Credit cards with no hard pulls for rebuilding. If you are looking to rebuild your credit without the concern of hard credit inquiries, there are several cards available that do not conduct a hard credit pull. These cards are perfect for individuals seeking to improve their credit without damaging it further. This section will introduce you to 3 credit cards that make the process of rebuilding credit smoother without negatively impacting your credit score through hard pulls. Footnote: this section introduces the concept of credit cards with no hard credit pulls, allowing individuals to rebuild credit without hurting their scores. 3. Capital One, a starter credit card option. While Capital One is known for its aggressive debt collection strategies, it remains one of the most popular choices for those looking to rebuild credit. They offer a credit card that does not require a hard credit pull, making it an accessible option for individuals with less than perfect credit. Despite its negative reputation, if you can maintain a responsible repayment pattern, this card can help you rebuild your credit. However, be cautious about their high interest rates and predatory business practices. Footnote: this section discusses Capital One as a potential option for rebuilding credit, highlighting the risks involved in using their cards. 4. Open Sky, a card geared for rebuilding credit. Open Sky is another credit card option for individuals working to rebuild their credit. Unlike Capital One, Open Sky is more tailored toward those who have lower credit scores and need a fresh start. This card also does not conduct a hard credit pull, making it accessible for people just starting their credit repair journey. Open Sky typically offers a low balance to start with, ranging from $200 to $500, but it is an excellent option for rebuilding credit at a manageable level. Footnote: this section introduces Open Sky as a reliable card for individuals with lower credit scores, focusing on its role in rebuilding credit. 5. Mission Lane, a flexible credit option for rebuilding. Mission Lane offers another credit card designed for those in the process of rebuilding their credit. Similar to Open Sky, Mission Lane does not conduct a hard credit pull, which means you won't risk a negative inquiry on your credit report. The card offers flexible credit lines, typically around $300 to $1,000, making it a good starting point for people who need to establish a solid credit history. Mission Lane works well for individuals who need a dependable credit card to help them improve their credit over time. Footnote: this section presents Mission Lane as a viable option for rebuilding credit, emphasizing its flexibility and minimal impact on credit scores. 6. Discover It Card, a bonus option for rebuilding. As a bonus, the Discover It card is another great option for individuals working to rebuild their credit. Discover does not perform a hard credit pull, making it an excellent choice for credit rebuilding without the risk of a hard inquiry. Additionally, Discover offers cashback rewards, making it a useful tool for individuals who want to earn rewards while improving their credit score. Keep in mind, however, that the card is best for those who can manage their spending responsibly. Footnote: this section introduces the Discover It card as a bonus option for credit rebuilding, offering rewards alongside credit building features. 7. The role of rebuilding credit in wealth building. Rebuilding your credit is not just about improving your credit score for everyday purchases. The ultimate goal is to use your rebuilt credit to build wealth. Having good credit is essential if you want to leverage other people's money to start a business, buy real estate, or make significant investments. This section emphasizes the importance of rebuilding your credit as a stepping stone toward long-term financial growth and independence. Footnote: this section highlights the importance of rebuilding credit for wealth-building purposes, particularly in starting businesses and making investments. 8. Conclusion: choosing the right credit card for your credit journey. Choosing the right credit card for rebuilding your credit is a crucial first step in your financial journey. Cards like Capital One, Open Sky, and Mission Lane provide accessible options for individuals with less than perfect credit. These cards allow you to rebuild your credit without the fear of hard credit pulls, and they give you the opportunity to improve your financial future. Remember, rebuilding credit is just one part of the process. Eventually, it should lead to wealth-building opportunities that can secure your financial future. Footnote: this section concludes with a summary of the importance of selecting the right card for rebuilding credit and using that process as a foundation for future wealth building.